Greetings. My name is Deborah Marshall, your trusted real estate agent. While we've been sheltering in place, I discovered my true happy place right here in my yard. I started gardening 14 years ago after I lost my mom. She was a gardener and she was really good at it. I remember keeping her company outside as she planted. I never joined in because at the time it really wasn't my thing. Fast forward. Today, I can't keep my hands out of the dirt. I love gardening and I feel closest to her when I'm in this place. I just love this time of year, specifically because of the beautiful flowers. And this particular flower's iris flower is so very special to me because it was planted by my mom at her house. And of course, she's no longer here with us. However, she planted it, and the current resident that lives at her house, she calls me every single year and tell me to come and get some. And I've been planting it in front of my yard for about 2 years now. And this is the first year that it's really blooming as beautifully as it is. It's known as Goddess of the Rainbow. Iris, it's a Greek word. And over here we have the purple. Yeah, I'm so excited about it. It really multiplied. So I'm looking forward to it taking over the whole entire front of my yard. They're also known as perennials. So it'll come up every single year around about the same time. I would say it's the last 2 weeks of May into about maybe the first week of June. Yeah, so this is what we're doing.